Alright, so now I'm going to show you this nice tool. So I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see a little bit better. So this is the copper tool. I'm going to teach you how to use it, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer so that way you can see the model number, the serial number, and everything. So always, as usual, make an Excel file so that way you have your serial number and the model number, just in case if someone steals your tool. You have everything, documented. So this is the 12-volt tool, the copper tubing cutter. So now I'm going to show you how you can use it for your plumbing needs. So as you can see here, we have the battery. So in order to remove the battery, all you have to do is push these two buttons, pull it out, and that's it. And then you can put it back in that way. And then here you have the trigger. So when you push the trigger, the tool will work. And then you have this handle that you see here. So if you leave it in the middle, the trigger will be locked, so nothing will happen, as you can see. If you leave it, for instance, on this side, I'm going to move it towards this side, so that way you can see this is going to spin. There you go. It says watch out with your fingers. And here on the other side, so let's say that you cut the pipe, and then you have to put the new pipe in. So how are you going to do it? If you want to try to move it, it will not move. So basically you have to move this towards the other way, and then it will move it. It will open it for you. There you go. That's it. You push once, and that's it. And after that, put it in the middle if you're not going to use it, or move it towards the other side, so the way you can cut. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So this button that you see here, you push once, and then you can see the charge. Also, you're going to have it the light, just in case if you want to use it as a flashlight. All right, so basically, you have two options. One, you can use it manually with this. I mean, this is fine for some places that are very tiny. You can use this, or you can use the tool. It should be a little bit faster. This pipe is kind of damaged, so hopefully you can cut it properly. So all you have to do is just put it inside, and that's it. The advantage of between this and using this is that this you can cut half an inch, 3/4, and I think maybe 1 inch, or otherwise it will be just half an inch and 3/4. I don't remember exactly, but usually I use it for those two sizes. I don't think so it's going to get any larger than that. Okay, so basically all you have to do is push it in, and that's it. And then just push the trigger, and it will do the work. There you go. We cut it, as you can see. So it was successful and it was fast. Sometimes I had a few issues, a few instances. Now I'm going to move it towards the other side. There you go. So that way it will be ready to cut again. I had some instances that I put this and it wasn't cutting, and I had to use this. But most of the time, this works just fine, just in case. All right, so now I'm going to compare it with this. So if you want to cut with this, all you have to do, the same thing, put it like that. And if you see, you have the arrow here that says, okay, move it towards that way. If you move it the other way, it will come loose and it will not cut. So basically, all you have to do, if you want to cut it, you have to spin it a few times. And as you can see, it's working. And that's it. That is how you use this tool. So I'm going to show you later. I mean, if you want to, you can visit my playlist, so that way you can learn how to use other tools. So if you have any suggestion or comment, please let me know in the section below. Otherwise, see you in the next class. Remember, go to the playlist.